Yo, mereka bilang Acheh termiskin di Sumatra, seakan tanah gas dan emas tiada harganya. Tapi siapa yang rampas? Siapa yang kuasai? Pusat menulis cerita, rakyat cuma disudutkan lagi. They say Acheh is the poorest in Sumatra, as if the land of gas and gold is worthless. But who steals it? Who controls it? In the center of writing stories, the people are just pushed into a corner again. Itu bukan fakta, itu strategi membungkam suara merdeka yang berdiri, supaya dunia percaya Acheh tak bisa, padahal kami punya segalanya. That's not a fact, that's a strategy. Silencing the voices of freedom that stand, so that the world believes that Acheh cannot, even though we have everything. Label miskin hanyalah permainan, supaya damai disebut kegagalan. Kami tahu siapa dalang di balik layar. Acheh belum merdeka, itulah alasan besar. The poor label is just a game for peace to be called failure. We know who is behind the scenes. Acheh is not yet independent, that's a big reason.
That's a big reason. That's a big reason. That's a big reason.
Sejahtera dijanjikan, realita ditinggalkan. Dana otsus mengalir, tapi rakyat disempitkan. Jika damai gagal, siapa yang disalahkan? Bukan pusat, tapi Acheh yang dituding lemah dan kehilangan. Prosperity is promised, reality is left behind. Special autonomy funds flow, but the people are limited. If peace fails, who is to blame? It's not the center, but Acheh, which is accused of being weak and bereft. Jangan percaya angka mereka, itu senjata politik semata, supaya dunia menutup mata bahwa Acheh tidak layak merdeka. Don't believe the numbers, it's just a political weapon, so that the world closes eyes that Acheh does not deserve independence. Label miskin hanyalah permainan, supaya damai disebut kegagalan. Kami tahu siapa dalang di balik layar. Acheh belum merdeka, itulah alasan besar. The poor label is just a game for peace to be called failure. We know who is behind the scenes. Acheh is not yet independent, that's a big reason. Acheh bukan gagal, bukan kalah, kami hanya dirampas, disiksa sejarah. Selama pusat masih pegang kendali, merdekalah jalan sejati. Acheh is not failure, not defeat. We were just deprived, tortured by history. As long as the center is still in control, freedom is the true path. Acheh must be independent from Indonesia. Yeah, that's a big reason. That's a big reason. That's a big reason. That's a big reason.